we have seen data types. Which data type? Functional category data type. Okay, can you remember what are the functional data types? Yes, anyone? What are the functional data types? Yes, anyone? Not int, integer, float, complex, and and okay, boolean. So these are the some basic category data types. We can say that is what functional category data types. Okay. So these data types are categorized in the functional data types. Okay. These are the four basic data types: integer, float, bool, and complex. Okay, int, float, bool, and complex. So in the last class we have seen about the integer. Okay, int category data type. So we have seen integer is what? Predefined class in the Python, right? It's a predefined class in the Python. Okay, it is used to store the integral value or whole number. Okay, it is used to store integral value or whole number. Suppose I want to store a is equal to 20, that is a whole number or not? If you want to type of a, if you want to find the type of a, so it will be show is what? Class is what? Int, and a is as the object. Okay, a is a object of which category? Which class? Integer class, int class. Okay, these are the predefined class. Okay, this is the concept of object and class. Okay, it's a class and it is the object of the integer category type. So we can store the large number of value to the a, that is no problem. Okay, now we can type of a, it will also show class, and if you want to print that value of a, so this value is going to be print, no problem. Okay, same value, we can watch it, see it carefully. Okay, the same values get printed. Okay, for example this one. And by using the integer category data type you can store the different number system. What are the number system? Binary number system, then octal number system, then hexadecimal number system, right? You know very well. So binary number system, how many digits is going to be stored? Only two digits, that is 0 and 1. Octal number system, total 8 digit we can store, that is 0 to 7. Hexadecimal, total 16 are there, 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay, now how can store the binary numbers? Okay, how can store the binary number system? To store the binary number system in the Python, so we need to prefix as what? 0b or capital 0b or 0 capital B. Okay, 0 a is equal to 0 b, then 1010. Now you can print value of a, what you will get? In the form of decimal. Okay, that is a decimal form. So by default number system is what? Decimal. See here, default number system in the Python environment is what? Base 10. So that's why it is printing the base 10, right? Now how we can store the hexadecimal number? Simply use the use the prefix as a 0x. A is equal to 0x or capital X. Okay, we are writing here a. Now we can print the value of a, that is what? 10. Okay, hexadecimal number system, right? We have seen here. Again, if you are taking here b is equal to 0, capital X or small s, that is both are same, okay, but you are taking as a 10, so it is reading as a 0 is one digit and 1 is another digit, okay. So if you convert, now if you want to print the value of b, so it will be print what, 16, okay. So 10 का hexadecimal conversion, okay, 10 is a hexadecimal number. If you want to convert 10 into the decimal number, so it will print as what, 16, okay. See, conversion is 16. How will get the 16? 0 to the power 16, okay, 0 into 16 to the power 1, 0 into 16 to the power 1, 2, like this way, no? 0 to 0 into 16 to the power 0 plus 1 into 16 to the power 1, okay. So that is what conversion of decimal to hexadecimal number, right? 1 and 0. So what is the method there? 0 into, if you want to convert the decimal to hexadecimal number, so 16 to the power 0, okay. Then another digit is what, 1. So we can write here 1 into 16 to the power 1, okay. So here 16 plus what we are getting there, 0, okay, any 0 0, so total is what, 16. So that's why we are getting here what, 16, okay. By default number system is what, decimal in the Python environment, okay, that's why. Now next one, storing the octal number system, we can use here what, %o, right. C is equal to 0 capital O or small o, 1 2, okay, it's a octal number system. So you can convert, you can print the C, we are getting here 10. Why? Because we are getting the 10, the decimal of 12 means octal. 12 is the octal number. If you want to convert into the decimal number, so it is going to become a 10, okay. Okay, so how it is converted, the conversion you know very well, okay. See the conversions properly. Octal to hexadecimal, octal to decimal number. How can convert octal to decimal? 8 to the power something, right? 2 into 8 to the power what, 0 plus 1 into what, 8 to the power 1, okay. So here 8 plus 2 into 8 to the power 0 means 1, 2 into 1, that is 2, so we are getting here what, 10, okay, perfect. This is a conversion, right. So today we are going to see base conversions function, okay. Base conversions function, how we can convert a one number to the another number system, okay. Just wait guys, 2 minutes. Okay, base conversion functions, okay. So we have the base conversion function bin, oct and hex, okay. What is the use of base conversion function? It is used to convert decimal number system data into the octal, hexadecimal or binary number system, okay. So base conversion functions are used for converting the decimal number system data into the binary, comma, octal and hexadecimal number system. Okay. So decimal number system का data अगर आपको binary में convert करना है, okay, look at here. If you are storing the number system in hexadecimal, you are storing the number system in the binary, so it is going to print what? Decimal only. Okay, see here, it is only printing the decimal value. If you are storing that number system in the binary, you are getting output in decimal number. If you are storing the value in hexadecimal, also we are getting the output is decimal number. If you are storing this value in octal number, also we are getting in the decimal number. Okay, I want to print in particular binary numbers. Okay, I want to print in hexadecimal number, same thing. Okay, वैसे है हमको आउटपुट में चाहिए, डेसिमल में आउटपुट में नहीं चाहिए. सो वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हियर बेस कन्वर्शन फंक्शन. ओके, so base conversion function are used to what? To converting the decimal number system data into the binary, octal or hexadecimal number system. Okay, so there are three base conversion function. What are these? Bin, oct and hex. Okay, these are the very important. Bin, oct and hex. So let us see what is the example and syntax for the bin function. Okay, so how we can convert? Okay, so see here, first of all we are going to see here what about the bin function. Okay, bin function, it is used to store what? It is used to convert decimal number into the binary number system. Okay, bin function is used for converting the decimal number system and other number system data into the binary number system data. What is the syntax? This one is the syntax. Okay, variable name is equal to bin of any, okay, any decimal, octal or hexadecimal. Okay, any type of data that is converted into the binary. Okay, binary number system. Now let us take the example. Examples are very important. Okay, examples. So take one binary data. What is the syntax? Look at here. Variable name is equal to bin of. So suppose variable name is equal to what? A. Take the any variable, no problem at all. Okay, it's a Python command line. Okay, see here the symbol that is denoted what? Triple greater than symbol, that is mean it's a Python command line. Okay, it's a Python command line. Now I am taking here x1 is equal to x1 is equal to what? Convert any number system into the binary number system. Okay, suppose x is equal to 10, that means by default number system is what? Base 10. Okay, it's a decimal number system, right or no? Print x1. Okay, and you can find also the type of x1, that is what this one. Now I want to convert this x1 into the where? Binary number system. Okay, so how we can convert? Store in x2. Okay, x2 is equal to bin. Okay, variable name is what? X2 and bin is a function. Now convert that one, that is we can write here x1. Okay, so now we can print here x2. Okay, what is the value? 1010. So it is converted to the binary or not? 10 is get converted into binary or not? Yes. Directly can you write? Yes, x1 is equal to bin of, then you can write 10 directly. Okay, I want to convert the 10 value into the binary. Okay, so can you print that x1? Print of x1. Okay, that is converted into binary or not? 1010 is the binary of 10 or not? Now x2 is equal to bin of, I want to convert the octal number to the binary number system. So how, what is the prefix? 0 capital O or 0 small o. Okay, 0 small o likho ya 0 capital O likho. That is a prefix. Now octal number is what? 10, 12. Okay, this is the octal number is 12. Now get convert into the binary. Okay, binary number same आएगा 1010, right? Again x3 is equal to bin of, convert the hexadecimal number. Okay, small o or capital O, then you can write here a. Okay, or capital A, that is no problem. Okay, so it is giving any error? Yes, for the O it is giving the error. Okay, because this is the hexadecimal number, you have to use here small x or capital X. Okay, you must have to use here small x or capital X. Okay, yes, now we can print here, print the value of x3, right? We are getting here this a is a 10, that is converted into the what? Binary number system. Okay, this is the use of bin function. What is use of bin function? To convert any data type into the binary number function. To convert any data number system into the binary number system. Okay, to convert any number system into the binary number system. This is the use of bin function. Okay, this is the use of bin function. Okay, so examples I am writing here. To convert any type of data, any type of number system into the binary number system, we have to use what? Bin function. Okay, conversion function. Okay, practice by yourself. If you don't have computer, you can also use the online compiler. Okay, online Python compiler आप use कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Next one is what? Next function we have OCT, means oct. Okay, we have oct function. First we have seen what? Binary bin. Next one is next function, base conversion function, oct. So we can convert any type of data number system to do the octal number system. Okay, you can convert any type of data to the octal number system. So to convert any type of number system to the octal number system. Okay, OCD function is used for converting the decimal number system and another number system into the octal number system. Okay, what is the syntax? Same syntax. Instead of OCT you can write there what? Instead of bin you can write there OCT. That's it. Okay, so the syntax. Okay, variable name is equal to bin. Okay, instead of bin we have to write here OCT octal of decimal, octal. You can write here what binary. Yes, hexadecimal. Now see the examples. Convert the data. Okay, so now we can take the variable x1 is equal to OCT. Convert what number system? Okay, I want to convert a 10 to the octal number system. So it may be the 12, right? Can print here. So by default it is what? Decimal number system. Okay. So now the 10 is a decimal that is get converted into octal. What is the prefix for octal? 0 O. Okay, that means it is a octal number. Yes. X2 is equal to OCT of A. Okay, so you must have to write one prefix 0x or capital X. Okay, now we can print of x2. Okay, that is what 12. Octal is 12. By default A is a 10. That's why. Okay, x3 is equal to OCT of what? Binary, right? 0B 1010. Okay, what is the problem? 0. Okay, we are not written 0, we are taken there O, that's why. Then print of x3. Yes, same thing. Yes, so we are converted into octal number system. Okay, examples. Okay, ये तीन ग्रेटर दैन सिंबल इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो इससे डिनोट होता है कि दिस इज द पाइथन कंपाइलर. ओके, वी आर रनिंग टू द पाइथन इंटरप्रेट, सॉरी, पाइथन कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट. ऐसे ही सिंटैक्स में लिखना है आपको, राइट? Okay, next one is what? Hexadecimal hex. Okay, next is what? Hex. Next one is what? Hex. Hex. Hexadecimal hex function is there. Okay, this bin function, oct function, and hex function. Third one is hex function. So hex function is used for converting the decimal number system and any other number system into the hexadecimal number system data. Okay, see the examples. Now can convert any name of the variable. X1 is equal to hex of 10. Okay, or 15 you can write. So now I can print here, print of x1. What is going to be print? ERF F. Okay, yes, 0xf, that is denoted by 0x. अगर आप दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, समझ जाओ कि ये हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर है. ओके, दैट इज कन्वर्टेड और नॉट? यस, बाय डिफॉल्ट 15 is decimal. Okay, it's a decimal and get converted into hexadecimal. Now if you want to convert the binary or octal, okay, so 0 O must be there. Okay, 0 O or capital O. Okay, 0 O, so 12 is there something. Okay, now can convert this octal number into the hexadecimal number. Okay, let's print. Okay, so take other variable because same variable will be override. Okay, now x2 is equal to this one. and print here what? X2. Okay, 0xa. Okay, 0xa. Right, correct. Then x3 is equal to, can take the binary. Okay, 0b is a prefix for the binary or not? 1 1 1. Okay, 0b or 0 capital B, that is a prefix for the binary number. Now we can print here print of x3. Okay, what is going to be print? Hexadecimal number of this binary. Okay, yes, are you understanding? Base conversion, converting the one data type to the another, converting the one number system to the another number system. Okay. Okay, this conversion you understand or not? Directly functions. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay, so this is about the base conversions. Now next one is our next topic. Next category data type. We have seen now here integer category data type first. Okay, next we are going to see float category data type. How we can store the float category data type? How we can store the float data type to the Python. Excuse me. Okay, float data type. Float data type. So this is about integer data type. इंटीजर में नंबर सिस्टम देखे हमने, ठीक है. इंटीजर कौन से टाइप करे थे? डेसिमल, हेक्साडेसिमल, बाइनरी एंड ऑक्टल. Okay, first is completed, integer is completed. Now we are going to take here what? Second one, that is what? Float. Okay, we are going to see here float data type, float class. Okay, float data type. So float is what? A predefined class or not? Yes, it's a predefined class. It is used to store the real constant values, floating point values in the memory. By using this data type, we can store the floating point data either in the form of integer, come decimal form or scientific form. Okay. So you can store in the which form? Floating point either in the form of integer come decimal or scientific form. Let us see what is scientific form. Okay, see the examples. Okay, let us check here. So the number we are taking here what? X1 or A is equal to 10. This is what? INT. Okay, what is that class type of A? That is what? Class is INT. Now we are taking A is equal to 10.0. Okay, now we can write here what is the type of A? It is show what? Float. Right or wrong? Yes. If you are using the 10 point, the value both are same. 10 is 10.0, both are same. But if you written here A is equal to 10, that is read as what? Integer class. If you taken 10.0, that is read as what? Float class. Okay. So x1 is equal to 12.34. Okay. Can print. Now we can check the type of x1. Okay, and print x1. Same value. Okay. Now it is also store what? In the form of what? In the scientific form or not? Okay. Then what is meant by the scientific form? Okay. What is meant by the scientific form? Okay. Let us we are going to see what is the scientific form. Okay. Check here. So there is a one notation that is known as E. E. Okay. Suppose you are writing here B is equal to 10E3. Okay. 10E3. What is meant by this one? This is a scientific notation. Okay. इसका मतलब होता है कि 10 to the power 3. Okay. Let us check. Print a value of B. Okay. Now check here. 10 to the power 3. Okay. ये 10 है. उसका पावर कितना? 3 0. Okay. 10 to the power 3 zeros. Okay. This one. This is known as what? Scientific notation. Any doubts here? Any doubt here? E to the power 3 means 10 to the power 3 0. Look at once. Okay. C is equal to, suppose I am taking here, C is equal to, this is known as scientific notation. Okay. Okay. So hash is a comment. How we can give the comment in the Python? That is a hash. Okay. Hash. What we are going to write here? Scientific notation. Okay. It's a scientific notation. Right. 5E 5E 2 means, what is meaning of that? 5 to the power, how many 0? 2 0. Okay. Print here. See what we are getting here. 500 or not? 5 to the power 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 2. Okay. 5 into 10 to the power 3. Like this way. 10 into 10 to the power 3. 5 into 10 to the power 2. 5 into 10 to the power 2. Okay. This is scientific notation. This is allow only in where? Float. Okay. If you want to find the type, okay, now let us check the type of C. Can check what? That is a float. Okay. That is what? Float. साइंटिफिक नोटेशन में जब हम लिख रहे हैं उसका क्लास जो है फ्लोट रहेगा। टाइप ऑफ बी what class is float. Okay, next one, boolean data type. Okay, boolean data type, bull category, bull type. Excuse me. So boolean class that is store the two values. What are the two values? True and false or not? Yes, true and false, that's it. Bool is the predefined class. Okay, bool is used to store logical values. Two values are the logical value. What are that logical value? True and false. Internally true is represented as a 1 and false is represented as a 0. Okay, false is represented as a what? 0. So if you are taking here a is equal to true, let us take here. Okay, a is equal to true, true का T capital. Okay, then you can find here type of a. Type of a what? We are going to see the class is what? Bool. Okay, that is boolean value. Suppose b is equal to false, f must be capital. Okay, if you otherwise it will get the error. Then type of b, so that is what? Bool. Yes. Now if you want to print values, okay, if you want to print a value, print a comma b. Okay, print a comma b. So if you want to print that value, so a की वैल्यू क्या रहेंगे? ट्रू है तो 1 प्रिंट करेगा. ओके, सो प्रिंट, how we can give that one? Print of a and b. Okay, so we want to print, okay, print in the decimal we want to print, suppose. Yeah, okay, yes, so we can give here, suppose print of a plus b, what you are getting? 1. Okay, 1. So internally, okay, so internally true is represented as a 1 and false is represented as a 0 internally. Suppose we are going to do the addition of this one, true and false. Okay, print of a plus b. A and b are the boolean type. Okay, internally. Okay, so a is a true and b is a false. So a is internally 1 and b is internally 0. 0 plus 1 we are getting the 1. Okay, so like this way. If you are performing the some another operation, okay, use the another expression, a into a plus b. Okay, a into a, that is 1, 1 plus b is 0. Okay, 1 so 1 plus b, so 1 we are getting, right? 1, perfect. Okay, internally it is storing 1. True is a 1 and false is 0, that's it. This is about a boolean category. Okay, boolean data type, bool data type. Next one is what? Complex. Okay, so last one category data type in the functional category, last data type in the functional category, that is what? Bool, sorry, complex. Okay, complex data type. Let us see the complex data type. So complex data types, it is used for to store the complex number. Okay, so complex is a predefined class. It is used for what? It is used for storing what? Complex values. Okay, format क्या रहेगा इसका? a plus bj. ओके, मैथमेटिक्स में हम i लेते हैं और यहाँ पे आपको j लेना पड़ेगा प्रोग्रामिंग में. ओके, a is a real and b is a imaginary, right? A is a real and b is a imaginary part. Okay, A is a real part and B is a imaginary. That is the prefix is J. J is a square root. That is what J means क्या होता है? What is the value of J? Square root of -1. Okay, square root of -1. In mathematics, if you write this expression 2 plus 3i, मैथमेटिक्स में अगर आप ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन लिखते हैं, आपने मैथमेटिक्स में देखा होगा, सो द आई की वैल्यू कितनी रहती है? व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ आई? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -1. राइट और रॉन्ग? इज इट ओके? Square root of -1 or not? In Python, instead of I, we must have to write here what? J. Okay, this is the syntax in the Python. How to store the complex number value in Python? Use here 2 plus 3j. Okay, like this. So j is denoted what? Imaginary part. Okay, this is imaginary part and this is what? Real part. Okay, now to extract the real and imaginary part of complex number, we use the two attributes, real and imaginary. Okay, now let us see the syntax. See the syntax. We can also find the complex real and imaginary part. Complex object dot real, that gives the real value. Complex object dot image it will give the imaginary value. Okay, let us take the example. Okay, it's give the imaginary, it's give the real value. Okay, now let us take the examples. Okay, let us open our Python command prompt. Look at here. Take x1 is equal to t plus 3j. Okay, want to check the type. Okay, type of x1, that is showing the class is complex. Can print that value x1. Okay, now see what is imaginary and what is complex. Oh, sorry, what is real and what is imaginary? 2 is a real and 3 is a imaginary. Can you extract that part? Yes. What is the syntax? Complex object. What is that? x1 dot real. Okay, it will give what? Real part. Now x1 dot imag, it will give what? Imaginary part. Okay, real part, img part. Okay, take other numbers also. Is it imaginary number? 2j. Yes, it is also imaginary number. Okay, you can type x2. Okay, that is what complex. Can you find the real and imaginary part? Yes, real. Yes, 0 0. x2 dot imaginary part. Okay, not present. Real part is not present. Okay, this is also the same thing. Prac Practice is very important. 1 second. Okay, Take other imaginary number. What is that? X3. Check what is the type. Complex. Print that number X3. Want to print imaginary and real part. You can write here print of what is the object x3 dot real x3 dot imaginary. Yes, -4. Correct. Now can you perform the addition subtraction for the two complex number? Yes. How can perform? Let us check. Addition is equal to add is a one variable I am taking here. I am performing x2 plus x3. Okay. What is the value of x2? x2 की वैल्यू क्या है? x2 is equal to 2j, मतलब रियल पार्ट इज मिसिंग. ठीक है. एंड x3 इज व्हाट? दिस वन. सो आप इफ यू वांट टू परफॉर्म द एडिशन तो इमेजिनरी के साथ एडिशन होगा. रियल का रियल मतलब आउटपुट में क्या आएगा? 12 माइनस 2j आएगा. ओके, लेट अस चेक. Print. Okay, so one variable I am taking add is equal to x2 plus x3. Okay, now print here add. Yes, 12 minus 2. Perfect. Correct. Okay, imaginary number का addition subtraction हम कर सकते हैं. Okay, this if you want to print the type of add, that is what complex number है ये. Okay, that is what complex. So we can perform the any operations on the complex number. Okay. So note, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication on complex number. Okay, next one. This is about what? Complex. Okay, so we have completed here integer, then float, then bool, and complex. Okay, this category data types, functional category data types we have completed. Now what is the next? Next category. Okay, so that is what a str type of data. Okay, string type of data. Okay, how we can store the string type of data? Str data type. Okay, string data type. String is what? Collection of character. Okay, collection of character. So functional category data type, string type is there. Okay, we have the different category data types. Okay, next one is what? String category data type. Str. Okay, str category type. Data types details. Okay. Data types. Set category data type, dictionary category data type, fourth category. Just I am going to show you the all these data types. Okay. Basic when you started here input. Files, operators. Okay, no problem. Okay. Data types in the Python. I'm going to just copy paste this one. Okay. It will better to understand for you, so that you can understand here how many data types are available in Python first. Then you can learn step by step. Okay, data types. Okay, data types in Python. What is use of data type? To allocate the memory space in the main memory. Okay, there are 14 category data types. 14 data types, that is categorized into 6 types. Okay, functional category data type, sequential category data type. फंक्शनल डेटा टाइप में 4 आते हैं, सिक्वेंशियल कैटेगरीज में आते हैं स्ट्रिंग, बाइट्स, बाइट्स अरे. ओके, so that is for understanding purpose. Okay, this is real category data types in Python. Dicta type, then none type. Okay, that is a none category data type. So these data types are categorized. Okay, so functional data functional category types में कितने integer, float, bool, complex, that's we have seen. Right now we are going to see what str type of data. Okay, str data type means a string data type. Dictionary में only dictionary dict category is there. None type is a none type. Okay, look at here. Functional category data type, integer, float, bool, complex. Sequential category data types, it's a str, bytes array, byte array and range. Okay. लिस्ट कैटेगरी में आते हैं लिस्ट एंड टपल. सेट कैटेगरी में आते हैं सेट एंड फ्रोजन सेट. डिक्शनरी में आते हैं डिक्ट एंड नन टाइप कैटेगरी, दैट इज द फोर्थ वन इज नन. ओके. सो टोटल हाउ मेनी डेटा टाइप्स आर हियर इन द पाइथन? 14. कितने? 14. ओके, 14 डेटा टाइप्स आर अवेलेबल. ओके. सो what is right now? String is remaining. Okay, str. It's a sequential category data type. Okay, str data type. Str means string data type. In the string data type, how we can store the data? Collection of character. Okay. So str is a predefined class. Str is used for string or string character. Okay, it is used for storing string or string character. It's for string or character data in the memory. And we can store the string data in the two ways. Okay, first is what? Single line text, and second is what? Multi-line text. Okay, single line text and multi-line text. So syntax for what? Single line text. Okay, how, what is the syntax for then? We must have to write in the single code. Okay, use a single code. Okay, use a single quote or single double quote. ये देखो, सिंगल कोट या फिर सिंगल डबल कोट. ओके, विद द सिंगल or double quotes we can store only single line of text but not able to store the multi line of text. Okay, only single line of text we are going to store. See the example. Okay, examples. See here, single line text. Okay, create any as object, any object. Okay, variable, yes, is equal to, in the single quote you are writing what? Java programming. Okay, now what is, if you want to find what is the type of s1, that is what? Str. Yes, can you use the same? Yes, str is equal to single quote, can you use? Yes, because it act as a object. Okay, str is a class and str is acting as what? Object here of the str class. Then you can use the same name, no problem, because str is not a keyword in the Python. Okay, str is not a keyword in the Python. Okay, then you can find your str. Okay, if you want to print up str, what is the str is holding? Gunwant. Okay, can you use in the double quote? Yes, you can use also in double quote. Okay, how can write? S2 is equal to what? Python is a OP language. Okay, Python is an OP language. Okay, so now can check here what is the type of S2. That is str. can print here what? S2, same line. Okay. Either you can use a single quote or you can use a double quote. Okay. सिंगल कोड आया फिर डबल कोड में हम लिख सकते हैं, बट इट इज़ ओनली स्टोर द सिंगल लाइन. ओके, इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी स्टोर द मल्टी लाइन. ओके, मल्टी लाइन में स्टोर नहीं कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टोर इन द मल्टी लाइन देन हाउ यू कैन यूज. ओके, हाउ यू कैन यूज टू स्टोर द मल्टी लाइन. ओके, दिस इज फॉर द सिंगल लाइन. नाउ सी द मल्टी लाइन ऑफ टेक्स्ट. ओके, हाउ कैन स्टोर द मल्टी लाइन ऑफ टेक्स्ट. If you want to store multi-line of text, you can. Okay. How can you use? See the syntax. ट्रिपल डबल कोट स्टार्ट करो और ट्रिपल डबल कोट से क्लोज करो, या फिर सिंगल सिंगल ट्रिपल कोट से चालू करो और सिंगल ट्रिपल कोट से एंड करो. ओके, सो वी कैन use here the lines. Okay, space, next line you can use, then no problem. See the example. मल्टी लाइन हमको रीड करना है. ओके, let us take example. न्यू लाइन ऐड हो ऐड करनी है अगर आपके टेक्स्ट में. ओके, सो देखो मल्टी लाइन अगर है, एक लाइन के नीचे दूसरी लाइन है. सो जैसे अगर हमने ले x इज इक्वल टू गुणवंत और उसके नीचे मुझे मानकर लिखना है. ओके, सो एरर आ जाएगा. ओके, न्यू लाइन पे जा ही नहीं रहे. सो इसलिए हम कैसे लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. s1 इज इक्वल टू एक तो आप सिंगल ट्रिपल लाइन से स्टार्ट करो. ओके, देन यू कैन राइट हियर व्हाट गुणवन, देन स्पेस, हियर आई एम राइटिंग माय नेम, दैट इज व्हाट मानकर. Okay, I am writing here what Pune, that's it. Okay, if you want to close that one then you can close. How you can close? Using the single triple code. Okay, now s1 is store or not, let us check here. Okay, type of s1 and you can find the print here. Okay, print of s1. Okay, it is storing or not properly Gunwan Mankar Pune. Okay, properly we are storing. S2 is equal to triple quote, you can write here what Python is an OOP, then enter language. Okay, language, and then close triple quote. Okay, so now can print here what, check here what is what type of s2, this one correct, and can print here what print of s2. Okay, so this is holding or not. Yes, Python is this one. Okay, this is the example for storing the multi-line. Okay, multi-line string. अगर आपने ट्रिपल सिंगल कोट से स्टार्ट किया तो ट्रिपल सिंगल कोट से ही एंड करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने ट्रिपल सिंगल कोट से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो और डबल ट्रिपल कोट से एंड कर रहे हो, सो इट विल गिव्स एन एरर. ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू चेक यू सेंड यू. ओके, लेट अस चेक हियर. Okay, look at here. So I am going to start s1 is equal to triple single quote, then I am writing here what Gunwan. Okay, who is this person right now joining us? Okay, is it not a time to join? Okay, s1, so Gunwant, and I am writing here what this one, and print here what? Oh, oh, oh. End of string literal. Okay. Yes, 3 is equal to ट्रिपल सिंगल कोड से स्टार्ट किया आपने. ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. हम ऐसे प्रोग्रामिंग में हम देखेंगे. वैसे ट्रिपल सिंगल कोड से स्टार्ट किया, तो डबल सिंगल कोड से अगर एंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वहाँ पे एरर शो करेंगे आपको. ओके. या फिर हमने अगर ऐसा लिखा S3 इज इक्वल टू गुन 1 और क्लोज किया हमने ट्रिपल सिंगल कोड से. अगेन द स्ट्रिंग लिटरर इज देयर. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई. यस, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay, this is about a string, and the next topic is what? Operations on the string. Okay, so that we are going to see on tomorrow on the same time 8 to 30 a.m. Okay, so operation on the string, then we have the list tuple category type data types. Okay, then this is very important, string operations. Okay, that is we are going to see in the next class. So don't leave the class. I'm sending you the attendance.